In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set targets on Salesforce. By the end, you'll have forecasting enabled and quotas assigned so you can track progress against targets with confidence. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning. From the top right gear icon, open Setup and choose the Setup option for your current app to get to the full admin area. In the Quick Find search bar on the left, type Forecasts. You'll see several options appear. Select Forecast Settings. This is where we turn on Collaborative Forecasts, which is required before quotas can be used. Inside Forecast Settings, enable forecasting. You'll see a control labeled Forecast Enabled. Turn that on. This activates the forecasting framework across your org so you can view pipeline projections and use quotas. When prompted, confirm and click Done to apply the change. Don't worry, you can always refine settings later, such as forecast types and hierarchies, but enabling it is the essential first step. Next, return to Setup again using the gear icon if needed. Back in Quick Find, type Forecasts once more, and this time open Forecast Quotas. This is where you define the targets your team will be measured against. At the top, select the forecast type you want to manage. Choose Opportunity Amount, which sets quotas based on revenue rather than, for example, quantity. If you see Opportunity Amount in more than one place, make sure it's selected wherever the page asks for the active forecast type to keep things consistent. Now choose the time period you want to set quotas for. You may see a default period, such as a previous month or a different fiscal year. Open the period selector, then navigate forward to the month you need. Here, select July of fiscal year 2026. Picking the right period is crucial so your targets line up with your reporting cadence and fiscal calendar. Turn on Show Quotas so the editable quota fields appear in the grid. Then click Assign Quotas to Users to choose how you want to distribute targets. You'll be given options for assignment style. Select Role-Based Forecasts. Role-based assignment rolls targets up and down your role hierarchy, which works well if you want managers to own team-level goals and have those roll into higher levels automatically. Find the role or team you want to update and click Edit Quota. Click into the highlighted quota cell to activate it. Enter the target value. Type 10,000. That will be your quota for the selected role and time period. Use the role and manager pickers on the right if you need to confirm you're editing the correct part of the hierarchy. Make sure the quota is applied to the right manager or team to avoid misreporting later. When everything looks correct, click Save. Salesforce will store the quota and apply it to the selected month and forecast type. If you're using a hierarchy, your changes will also roll up to parent roles and can be further adjusted as needed. A few quick best practices as you wrap up. First, ensure your fiscal year settings match your company calendar so periods and forecast quotas mirror your reporting. Second, keep your forecast type consistent. If you track revenue, stick with opportunity amount for both your forecast view and quotas. Third, confirm you have the right permissions to manage forecasts and quotas. If you can't see the settings or edit fields, you may need additional access from an admin. Finally, after saving, head to your Forecast tab in the app to see how the quota displays alongside pipeline and commit categories, which helps you monitor attainment in real time. That's it. You enabled forecasting, opened forecast quotas, selected opportunity amount, set the period to July FY 2026, chose role-based assignment, entered a quota of 10,000, and saved your changes. With targets in place, your team can measure progress and stay aligned on what success looks like for the period.